In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the ISEmail, ISURL, and Substitution functions in Google Sheets. Now, the ISEmail function is a function that helps you check if your email address is correct, and the same thing with your ISURL if your web page or your URL is formatted correctly. Now we have the substitution, which will help us substitute one character or one text to the other. Let's get started. So we're going to start with your ISEmail. Start with your equal sign, type in ISEmail, select your text, and press enter. Now, if it says true, then your email that you have here is correct. Now, if you drag it down to see if the other emails are formatted correctly, you will see that some of them are false, which means that they are incorrectly formatted. So we're going to change that later. Let's move on first to ISURL. We're going to try and check these web pages if they are formatted correctly. Let's get started again with the equal sign. Type in ISURL, select the text, and press enter. Now here you have your suggested autofill, which will also tell you that some of your URLs are incorrect. So let's accept that suggestion and move on to substitution. So for our substitution, we're going to find what's wrong with our emails and try and correct them with our substitution. So as you see here, these emails are missing the period or the dot in between the Gmail and the com. So we're going to correct that with our substitution. Let's start with our equal sign. Type in sub, select substitute, select your text that's incorrect, comma. So what we're going to be typing for is what we're searching for. So that's gmail.com. Don't forget your open quotation marks. If it doesn't turn green, then there's something wrong with the formula. Next would be what we're going to replace it with. Again, your open quotation marks. Now we're going to type in Gmail, this time with a dot, and then com, closing quotations, and press enter. And there you have the correct format for your email. If you drag this down, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have corrected these emails. So we're just going to select these and copy and paste them in the right position. So we're just going to paste it with values only. And there you have it. Now let's try and correct our URLs with substitution. So let's start again with our equal sign. Type in sub, select substitute, select the cells that have the incorrect format. We're going to start with this one, comma. Again, type in what you're searching for, which would be website com. No dot in between the website and the com, closing quotations, comma, and now what you're going to replace it with. So website.com. Closing quotations, and press enter. So again, if we just drag this down and we have the right format for our URL. If we're going to copy this, make sure that if you paste it, you're just going to paste using paste special and values only. And there you have it. So all of these are now true because we have corrected the formats of the incorrect ones. And that's how to use the ISEmail, ISURL, and substitution functions in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.